Samsung foldables are without a doubt among the greatest foldable smartphones available, with a slicker user interface, amazing multitasking capabilities, fantastic camera characteristics, and much more. The most recent leaks about these gadgets show their dimensions, screen size, and weight, as well as their removable battery design. In a series of tweets, renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe says that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have about the same proportions as the Fold 4. This appears to be the smallest size change in the entire lineup since its inception, with the cover screen measuring 6.2 inches and the foldable display measuring 7.6 inches. And then Ross Young backed up this information by saying the precise size of the internal display is 7.56 inches. On the positive side, he claims the Fold 5 will weigh 254 grams, making it 9 grams less than the Fold 4, which weighs 263 grams. The hinge has changed significantly, and it now shuts completely without any gap between the display, thanks to Samsung's innovative water drop hinge. According to the Vietnamese website Pixel and Gadget China, the Snapdragon 985 5G from Qualcomm will power the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is most likely the plus form of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and will be found inside most Android phones this year. And if Samsung's custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is any indicator, we could even see a custom edition of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Plus model, which is complicated, but I know you understand it. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have an upgrade Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. It's interesting to see that the single component number of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is significantly higher than that of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Samsung also handled this in a unique manner, adding an IPX8 certification to this new massive design. We have a tweet from Yogesh Bra with the camera specifications for the Z Fold 5. He claims we'll get a 50-megapixel main a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto, and although he doesn't offer us the telephoto information, we can guess it's a 3x optical zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.